The balance of power just shifted at sea. China says its stealth J-35 can now launch from all three of its aircraft carriers, turning multiple fleets into moving fifth-generation airbases. As radar screens search the horizon, stealth fighters, electronic warfare jets, and airborne early warning aircraft could strike as one coordinated force. That means more pressure around Taiwan, the Philippine Sea, and beyond. The Pacific isn't just getting crowded, it's becoming a chessboard where every carrier movement could trigger the next strategic escalation.